Cart abandonment is normal in e-commerce, but losing most of those shoppers isn't. The right Klaviyo setup can recover a large chunk of that lost revenue automatically. In this video, I'll show you how to reduce cart abandonment using Klaviyo step-by-step in 2026. All right, first, the why. Most carts are abandoned due to distraction, hesitation, shipping concerns, or lack of urgency. Your goal isn't pressure. It's reminding, reassuring, and removing friction. Now, trigger choice matters. Use the started checkout trigger, not just added to cart. Started checkout means higher intent, which leads to better recovery rates. Timing is everything. Send your first abandoned cart email within 30 minutes to 1 hour. This catches shoppers while your product is still top of mind. The first email should be simple. Show what they left behind, add a clear button to return to checkout, and reduce friction. Avoid discounts right away. Many people just forgot. Now, follow-ups. Use the second email to address objections like shipping cost, delivery time, or returns. Use trust signals like reviews or guarantees. Reassurance converts. Only in the final email should you add urgency or a small incentive. This could be low stock, a deadline, or a limited time offer. Save this for people who didn't convert earlier. Personalization is critical. Use dynamic product blocks so shoppers see exactly what they added to cart. The more relevant the email feels, the higher the click rate. Finally, optimization, review recovery rate, revenue per recipient, and unsubscribe trends weekly. If something underperforms, tweak timing or messaging. Small changes add up. And that's how to reduce cart abandonment using Klaviyo. Fast reminders, clear reassurance, smart timing, and focused messaging. Do this right, and you recover revenue without increasing ad spend.